Hello and welcome to another video from GUNT. Today we would like to introduce you to our latest learning project in the GUNT DigiSkills series. GUNT DigiSkills 2, Dimensional Metrology as the main element of quality inspection. Here too, the new binding regulation takes effect, the digitalization in the world of work. All GUNT DigiSkills learning projects are specifically developed to implement digitization and Industry 4.0 in technical training in a concrete way. But how exactly do we do that at GUNT? As you would expect from GUNT, we receive excellently customized hardware that has been developed for use in the classroom. Modern, durable and didactically well thought out. The digital part is handled by our GUNT Media Center. All teaching content is available here in digital form at any time. It is exactly this symbiosis of classical hardware and digital media that will give your students the decisive advantage in the working world of tomorrow. Let's now take a closer look at the 6 available dimensional metrology exercises. We have the spacer plate, the angle piece, the shaft. Here we have the flange housing, the output shaft, and the hub. We distinguish here between test objects, which are not functionally related, and those with real functional context. Now we come to the digital part. Here our GUNT Media Center is once again the center of attention. All digital media such as 3D views, production drawings, as well as our e-learning courses can be found here. If you want to learn more about the GUNT Media Center and its features, please have a look at our YouTube channel. Here you will find a detailed video explaining all the functions. Especially for our learning exercise GUNT DigiSkills 2 Dimensional Metrology, we have additionally implemented topic-specific e-learning courses as well as digital worksheets for modern teaching. Best of all, when you purchase one of the GUNT DigiSkills 2 learning exercises, access to the GUNT Media Center is completely free for you. Want to learn more? Contact us. We would be happy to present our GUNT DigiSkills 2 Dimensional Metrology learning project at your site or during an online demonstration. Bye and see you next time.